Hey there. If you love staying organized, keeping things aesthetic, and maybe have a soft spot for cats, you're going to love this. This is my all-in-one Notion template, designed for girls who want calm, productive, and cozy days. Let's start with the main dashboard. Everything is clean, simple, and easy to use. You can access your daily, weekly, and monthly planners and all other pages all from here. I wanted it to feel like your digital home base, a calm space where you can organize your mind, just like tidying your real desk. Here's the daily routine page, a simple space to plan your morning, set your intentions, and keep your habits on track. It's perfect for journaling with your coffee. You can edit it to fit your goals, of course. Next is the weekly planner, a clean overview to help you focus on priorities and stay consistent. You can easily customize it to match your schedule, or even add cute icons to make it more personal. Then there's the gratitude journal, one of my favorite pages. It's a reminder to slow down and appreciate the little things, like soft blankets, morning sunlight, and tiny purring sounds. On days when you need a little motivation, head to the positive affirmations page. It's filled with gentle, uplifting words to help you stay grounded and confident. You'll also find a mood tracker and habit tracker, both designed to help you understand your patterns and stay consistent without pressure. And of course, the meal planner, because planning your food should feel simple, not stressful. You can use it to plan healthy meals or even track your favorite recipes. Everything in this template is fully customizable, from colors to icons, so it fits your vibe perfectly. Whether you like soft pink tones or a darker, cozy theme, you can make it feel like your own space. So if you've been looking for a way to stay organized, inspired, and maybe have a little fun planning your days, this planner is for you. It's minimal, it's calming, works for all devices, and it's made for cat lovers and cozy souls who believe productivity can still feel peaceful. You can find the template in the link below and start building your dream routine today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more self-care tips.